Welcome to this week's History Channel special on bovine spongiform encephalopathy, BSE in short. BSE is a progressive neurological disorder in cattle. Its symptoms are similar to a disease in sheep called scrapie. BSE is also known as mad cow disease. BSE and scrapie both result from infection with a very unusual infectious agent. As of January 2004, more than 180,000 cases of BSE were confirmed in Great Britain in more than 35,000 herds of cattle. The disease was first identified in the United Kingdom in 1986, which has been the center of an ongoing epidemic since that time. When the epidemic peaked in 1993, 1,000 new cases were being reported every week. It is believed to have originated from cows eating rendered sheep parts that had a TSC known as scrapie. It is now the most accepted hypothesis that the disease is spread through contaminated feed. It was May 20th, 2003 that marked the beginning of the bovine spongiform encephalopathy crisis in Canada. That was the day the Canadian Food Inspection Agency announced the discovery of the first non-imported case of BSE positive cow in Canada. Markets around the world immediately closed their borders to live cattle and beef exports from Canada, including Canada's largest customers, the US, Mexico, and Japan. These initial restrictions were a legitimate response in the face of a threat to human and animal health. The nature of the infectious agent that causes BSE and scrapie is unknown. Currently, the most accepted theory is that the agent is a modified form of a normal cell protein known as a prion. Here's a short video to help you better understand the mechanisms of the BSE prion.
The cause of bovine spongiform encephalopathy, or BSE, more commonly known as mad cow disease, has not been definitively determined. A widely accepted theory is that BSE is caused by changes in the prion protein, PRP, found in highest concentrations in the plasma membrane of neurons. PRP can be converted to an infectious form via a rare conformational change. This process is believed to be mediated by an unknown protein, protein X. This infectious form has the ability to convert properly folded molecules of PRP. The improperly folded PRP aggregate and form beta amyloid plaques in the plasma membrane, eventually causing death.
The vast majority of cases of BSE have been reported from the United Kingdom during an epidemic. However, endemic cases have also been reported in other European countries, including the Republic of Ireland, Switzerland, France, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Portugal, and Denmark. The main control measures when BSE has been detected in a herd is through culling. During the epidemics in the UK, 200,000 cows were lost, and this led to the slaughter of 4.5 million asymptomatic cattle that were older than 30 months. In response to the BSE epidemic, the British government instituted a series of measures to minimize the risk of disease transmission among both animals and humans. These included a ban on feeding ruminant protein to ruminants, removal of some high-risk materials such as brain, spinal cord, and intestines from cattle at slaughter, and a ban on cattle over 30 months of age from being used for food. Following institution of these measures, Great Britain has seen a decrease in the number of cattle with BSE from a peak incidence of 36,682 confirmed cases in 1992 to 1,044 confirmed in 2002. The main factors influencing the transmission of BSE are the types of feed given to the animals, meat production practices, and the different methods taken to control and prevent BSE in cattle herds. Thus, in the case of BSE factors affecting transmission, they are mainly social factors.